What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a comparison between the Amazon Influencers program versus the Amazon Associates program. And these are both branches of the Amazon website programs that you can join, which allow you to promote the products on Amazon itself and make money in commissions as an affiliate marketer. But depending on the kind of online business you have, one or the other may be better suited for you, or perhaps both in some rarer cases. And this video is going to help you understand the differences, the similarities between both programs, as well as helping you choose which one is better for you, if not both. And so before I get started with it, let me just quickly say that if you're new to my channel, my name is Vitaly, and I basically talk about the subject of online business and making money online. It's something that I do for a living full-time. Here are some of my stats in this business. I also promote products as an Amazon associate. Amazon Influencer is more geared towards social media, which I do less of, which is why I mostly focus on this. But the idea is that I basically cover the subject of how to make money online through blogging, YouTube, paid ads, promoting products on Amazon and other affiliate programs. And if this is something you're interested in learning how to do, you're welcome to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to learn more. But if you are new or struggling and you need help in this business, the best thing that I recommend doing is checking out a free beginner course that I will leave a link to in the description of this video, which will help you get the baseline knowledge of what it takes to succeed in this business and how to get started with it. But getting back into the main subject of this video, first I want to give you an overview of both of these things. So both of these things being the Amazon Associates program and the Amazon Influencers program. And so basically these are just affiliate branches of the Amazon website which allow you to promote pretty much any product in Amazon. So Amazon has an affiliate program. The first one was Amazon Associates, but they recently added an Amazon Influencers program. So it's kind of like an affiliate program A and an affiliate program B for the Amazon website. It's just one is better suited for a certain kind of online business branch as well as is the other. And so when it comes to Amazon Associates, this is generally better suited for people that have blogs, YouTube channels, or they're essentially driving traffic from more organic sources online, from search engines to their blog, from perhaps Pinterest to their blog. And Amazon Influencers is actually better suited for people that have more social media presence online. So they may have a website, but they get their traffic from places like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube as well. And if you actually have one of these channels that you have people driving, that you drive traffic from the social media platform to your website, then Amazon Influencers would be better suited for you. Whereas Amazon Associates is more of like an old school traditional thing where you drive people to your blog from Pinterest, from Google, from Bing, from search engines like that. So it really depends on where your source of traffic is coming from. The good news is when it comes to similarities is that both of these are part of the same exact Amazon website. They're both free to sign up with. They're both completely legitimate. I've gotten paychecks from Amazon Associates for years, and just as well Amazon Influencers will be just as legit because it's part of the same system. Both are, like I said, free to sign up with. There is a bit less of I wouldn't say hassle, but it's easier to sign up with Amazon Associates because you get approved a bit more faster, whereas with Amazon Influencers, in terms of the differences of these two programs, there is a bit more of a approval process that goes on. Essentially, when it comes to Amazon Associates, you basically have to show a website and just go through a general approval process to get approved, and you do have to make an X number of sales within, I believe, the first 180 days to stay a member of the Amazon Associates program. With the Amazon Influencers program, what you're essentially looking at is you have to provide them with a social media channel or channels where you get a lot of people potentially looking at the video or the videos or the content that you create on those platforms. So if you have an Instagram page and you have like 10,000 followers, that would be a great number to show the Amazon Influencers program on your application process to help you get approved. Now, in terms of specifics of how this works, with Amazon Associates, you basically sign up and then you can go into the Amazon website itself and get affiliate links to promote generally any product that you want. So if I go into Amazon, let me just show you what this looks like just as a quick comparison. With Amazon, I'm logged into Amazon right now through my account, and basically if I just go to I want to promote something like a trail running shoe, so something like this, I click on this and see where it says get link, I click on that. What's going to happen is I'm going to get this, which is an affiliate link that I will then use to put into my blog where I'm promoting this shoe or the best trail running shoes or something like that, or maybe I'm making a YouTube video where in the description I'm promoting it. And here's actually an example of one of my videos which got over 42,000 views, and in the description is an affiliate link to buy the Salomon Speedcross 5 shoes, and I've gotten a few sales for that here. That's an example of how I work with the Amazon Associates program. The Amazon Influencer program is a bit different when it comes to that because the channels through which you are promoting Amazon products looks different. What happens is that you sign up with the Amazon Influencer program and you get what is known as a storefront, which is basically like a custom page that allows you to promote Amazon products through your own custom store. So let's say that I have some kind of Instagram page that has 10,000 plus followers and it talks about the outdoors. And from my stories on Instagram or from the posts that I make on that Instagram channel, I basically send people to my storefront page where I provide a list of my top outdoor gear that I recommend that people get, and that's my storefront page, and that's how people visit my custom page and buy from me, and that's how it works. Now when it comes to which one is better for you, it really depends on which channel of traffic you're getting your visitors from. So if you're more like me and you have a blog, a YouTube channel, a Pinterest account that you send traffic from to your website, you would probably be better off with an Amazon Associates account in terms of making money with Amazon. But if you're more into the social media space, you have a TikTok account or you have an Instagram page, a Facebook page, also a YouTube channel, you have a lot of followers and people viewing your content, the Amazon Influencers program may be a better fit for you. Now the great news is you can actually be a member of both of these things and actually do a combination of stuff in order to make money online with, because there are some people that have basically the best of everything. They have social media pages, they have a blog, they have a YouTube channel, they have a Pinterest account that they send traffic to their website from, and so in those rarer cases, because there's less people that have that, you would find that it's better to sign up with either of these accounts. So essentially at the end of the day, whether you're an Amazon influencer or an Amazon associate, you're still basically just an affiliate for Amazon, and that's really the main thing to take away from this video in terms of the differences and similarities within these programs. It's just that one may be better suited for another than the other, depending on what kind of online business you have. Now, if you're someone that's new or struggling and you don't know how affiliate marketing works, I wouldn't sign up with these ones just yet. I would build out some kind of social media page or some sort of website that gets traffic before you get going with this stuff. And if this is something that you need help with to finish up this video on, I'm just going to say once again that I help you with this stuff because I do this for a living, and you're welcome to check out a free beginner course that teaches you the fundamentals of how to set this stuff up and take action into building an online business on something that you're passionate about. There's a link below this video that I will leave that will allow you to access that free course. So on that note, I'm going to finish up this video, and if you have any questions about this subject, you're welcome to ask me. But other than that, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.